Amazon and Peacock TV have kissed and made up. Hey, this is Ray. Welcome to the Cord Cutters community, where we're all about helping you cut the cord on cable and satellite TV and still be able to stream your favorite programming. We're here to help with advice, reviews, easy to understand and follow how-tos, and app overviews. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe, and share this with a friend so they too can cut the cord and save some money and get rid of those contracts. Okay, here we are on a Fire TV Stick 4K, and this is available on all Fire TV devices as far as I know right now. So easy to get Peacock on your TV. Okay, now all you have to do is start from the home screen and just go to Find. And then once you get to Find, go to Search. And if you have the old layout still, some of the devices still have the old layout, you would just simply, from the home screen, go up to the magnifying glass and then click on the magnifying glass. And then you click on here. What we're going to do is search. And we're going to search for Peacock. There it is already, Peacock TV. Click on that. And it brings us to this, showing us that Yellowstone is available on Peacock. But we just go down here to Apps and Games. And there it is, Peacock TV. No more side loading. No more have to jump through hoops to get it on your Fire TV device. Just simply click on it, get, and it's going to download. Just like that. That's super easy. And just click open. And there we go. It's ready to launch. So there you go. Peacock TV now on your Fire TV devices as of June 24th, 2021. Hey, once again, this is Ray with the Cord Cutters community. Please give us a like, subscribe, share this with a friend. If you know someone who's new to cord cutting or getting into cord cutting and maybe they need some help, we're here. All you have to do is ask a question down in the comments. And of course, we'd help you out, or somebody from the community would. You can also join our Facebook community. We have the Cord Cutters community Facebook group. I'll have the link down in the description. Enjoy your Peacock TV, and we'll talk to you all again real soon. Take care.